Good morning guys, welcome back to Leticia's Kitchen. For today's vlog, I'm going to cook shark's fin soup with fish stomach. Ito yung fish stomach and sea cucumber. And here is the shark's fin. Shark's fin. Ito na yung shark's fin. The fish stomach. And sea cucumber. So, ayan na guys. Pakuluan lang natin yan ng mga 10 minutes. So, ito na guys yung shark fin. Luto na siya. So, pwede na nating iserve. Ayan na guys. Yan. Ang sarap ng shark fin. It's delicious soup. So, ito na guys. Pwede na nating iserve. Ganito yung pagsaserve ko guys.